been a minute since my last video, but I'm up here at Silver Lake, so we're gonna take the LS3 swap ZR2 out there, see how it does now. I haven't had it on the sand since the swap or in 10 years, actually. It's been a long time since we got the sand car. Haven't really took it out much, but we'll see how it does today. See what kind of technique it prefers. It did great with the 4.3 in low range, aired way down. Did awesome, but we'll see if it likes low range, if it doesn't. I haven't even run it in low range with the LS3 yet, so we'll see how it does, and maybe it'll do something cool. first outing at Silver Lake with the LS3 swap. Did just fine. A few things I would want to look into and change. First is I don't have manual shifting in the tune, and I need to do that. I guess with the Holley controlling the transmission, you need to add an input, a switched input, and then you can do manual shifting. We'll definitely want to do that out here. Made low range pretty much unusable. The Holley doesn't see when it's in low range, so it will never shift. And off-roading, you kind of need to pick your shifts a little bit different than you would on the road. I have the shift points kind of high from first to second because I don't like if it shifts early and then you're taking off essentially in second gear. So it runs first gear a lot. That kind of brought us into another thing, is it brings up the temperature because you're running first gear more than you probably need to. And the cooling system is probably barely adequate with the stock 4.3 radiator. So I don't know if I can get anything better in there or not. Plenty of power. That was no issue. Climbed hills just fine. Raced just fine. So I'll probably do those couple things, and I mean, I don't need to beat this thing up on the dunes anymore anyway, because it's got a sand car sitting next to it. But it's nice to have the truck for when you have problems, so you got a backup. So, and that's a lot easier to get, you know, your things you want to have, easy up chairs, cooler, drinks, RC cars out on the sand. A lot easier than trying to jam everything in this. Well, we'll fix that, maybe do some improvements on this, and keep going at it.